This is the rock, paper, scissors button code. As you can see, there are skeletons playing like this. My goal is I wanted to make a rock, paper, scissors game using Raspberry Pi as a way to say you won or you have lost or you have wanted. As you can see, it was designed so that the 5 LEDs act as lives, and the wires are there to make you feel pain. And then there's the buzzer, which goes off when you lose, causing ear pain, which is much deserved for losing. As you can see the means. Build. I use a Raspberry Pi MF wires, wires, a breadboard, LED resistors, buttons, and a buzzer. The variable for the button is pain. The pointy part of the Raspberry Pi is sharp and painful. You should touch one. More memes. The program is right here. Ignore the memes or the real program though. The program speaks inspiration into you after you lose or win. They are very helpful and make you feel better. The program is a little complex, but with many variables, mostly being all the LEDs in the button and pain, which is also what the button means. My rethinking and test. I think that I could have done better. What I could have done better is inflict more pain when the victim loses. The issue is that when someone took my resistor and I had to get a new one, which caused internal pain. More memes. The demo of my creation. Why is it? Ignore the minor technical difficulties. So if I press this button, I do not know what they mean. If I press this button, I do not know what it means. And if I keep on pressing it, if I survive 5 times, then I get a message which saying you are not trash. But now time to show what it looks to lose. So this is what like to lose. The lie is also
Okay, can you go a little bit over the code? What's going on in the code? Like what part does what?
Anyway, so over here are all the variables. And then over here is all the messages. As you can see, there are many faces. Over here, I put the rounds to 1,000 because I wanted to show what it's like to lose. Over here, all of just the outputs. Over here's the different button. Then over here are all the variables for either if you lose or you die. And over here are also for the lives and stuff. Boring. And then over here, if the rounds equals 0, actually, you know what? And
okay. All right. Nice job. Thank you, Robert.
time to get back to building.